Hello and welcome to the world of Sunblaze Kitchen Appliances, a name trusted for generations with quality and reliability. Adding to the era of products, Sunblaze now presents multi-utility chapati maker. The easiest way to make perfect round chapati, tasty paratha, moong dal chila, crispy papad, uttapam, toast bread slices, etc. Everyone loves warm fluffy rotis, but not everyone can master the art. Thanks to Sunblaze Chapati Maker, it's simple, hassle-free and easy for anyone to make perfect chapatis. Now let's see how to make light supple round chapatis by using Sunblaze Chapati Maker. Take required quantity of wheat flour, add pinch of salt and little oil with appropriate quantity of water. Knead the dough and mix till dough becomes soft and non-sticky. The dough has to be little extra soft to make soft fluffy chapatis in Sunblaze Chapati Maker. First clean the inner grids of Sunblaze Chapati Maker with soft clean cloth. Then put the plug in the socket and you will see the red light glowing instantly in Sunblaze Chapati Maker. After 5-6 minutes, when the optimal level of heat is achieved, the red light will switch off automatically and green light will glow. Now Sunblaze Chapati Maker is ready for use. Take a small portion of dough, make a small ball and flatten it slightly. Place it off center on the bottom grid. Now bring the upper grid down and press the handle over it, folding it together and opening it immediately. Now let the roti be there for 5-10 seconds. Now you will see the bubbles appearing on roti. And now flip the roti. Leave it for another 5-10 seconds and you will see the roti becoming fully fluffy. If it doesn't, close the upper grid lightly once again. And in no time, you will see the roti is rising out fluffy. Your fluffy round roti is ready to serve. Now let's have a quick look at some common points to be taken care of. Wheat flour needs to be strained properly. Water needs to be added in little quantity gradually to achieve softness. Too grainy or not kneaded properly dough will lead to sticky or hard dough. The dough ball might slip and stick if you keep it in the center of grid. Do not press the upper grid and handle for too long. The most important point, if you are unable to achieve perfect round shape and fluffy roti, so make sure the dough is soft and fresh enough for Sunblaze Chapati Maker.